Welcome back, and in today's video I'll guide you through the process on how you can add the hotspot button in the control center of your iPad running iOS 18. So the first step is to swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to access your control center. Then from here, long press on it to enter editing mode. Once in editing mode, select Add a Control. Then if you can't find personal hotspot while scrolling through, you can always use the search feature and look for it from there. So once you've found hotspot, tap on it so that it can be added onto your control center. And from here, you can choose to increase the size or decrease the size of the icon. Once you're finished with that, tap on an empty space on your screen and you should see your personal hotspot control has been added. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.